Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to see how I made this bar cart here, this Dollar Tree bar cart, stay tuned. So I went to the store and I was looking for a bar cart, and everything that I seen was, yes, it was 30%, but it was a little bit pricey. This was at Hobby Lobby. And I liked this one, but it was too big for the space that I needed it for. So I had this piece here and it had like the board to it. So I decided to get some of the fence from the Dollar Tree, and this is how the piece looked before, and wrap the fence around it with some zip ties to make the design that I wanted to. So I started off with the fence, and these are the plastic rubber fence from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to wrap it all the way around on either side and leave just a slight opening to the front. I also want to put some to the bottom. The reason why, the corner I'm going to put this in, I don't want anything to fall over. I just love that things be self-sufficient. So I'm going to remove the board. Took the screws out, removed the board. And take the piece outside and spray it silver. So this is what it is looking like after I sprayed it silver. And this is the fence after it's sprayed silver. I just love the decorative look on it because I love wrought iron. So this is how it looks. So now what we're going to do, we're going to, with paint on my hand, yes, I am going to use this paper here. I didn't want like that look, so I am going to use the paper, contact paper, and with the backing on it, and just use my board for a stencil. So that's all you do. And to get this really tight, once you pull the paper back, you use a blow dryer. If you need a video on how to use the blow dryer to have it stick even more. And this is how the piece is looking. I have lost some of the footage, so I wasn't able to show you me wrapping the bottom, but I'm going to show you the top piece, wrap the top piece. So now that I put it together, I'm thinking, this is the corner that I'm going to put it in. As you see, it's freestanding. It's not rushing against anything. But after I got it upstairs, I realized I don't want anything, like I said, to fall to the side. So to the back of it. So I am going to cut some of the fence and then wrap it to the back. And I'm going to show you how I did this one. So this is how everything, like I said, is looking so far. And these are my zip ties. And I'm going to eventually spray the zip tie, cut the fence to match. This is the fence, and I just cut out the top piece, but I'm showing you how you just hook it, the pieces from either end. It comes with like a slide. It's like a male and female slide, and you just push it in place, and it's not hard to do. You just have to line it up really good to get them to, get in place. And this is how it looked. And you can see the area where I just cut the piece off. And like I started from the back wrapping it. Like I told you, I lost the footage. And that's how. So the middle has two. The bottom has two also. No, the bottom has one. I just cut the top piece like I'm showing you this right here. So this is how it looked before. Like I said, I don't want anything to fall over. So this I am going to show you with the board. So now I am picking up my zip ties, and I want to show you how this goes. Before I attach it, I'm going to take it outside. So all I did was just use some scissors and just cut the desired piece that I wanted for my project. So now I am going to attach the piece like so, and then feed the zip ties from back to front. But I am going to turn it around more to the inner side so you would not see the zip tie. So it's next day now, and I'm like, girl, finish that thing off. So I went and I sprayed all off with the, and I'm showing you it from the back side. So I have to turn it around because this is the seam that I'm really looking for. So this is the way it goes. And I already sprayed the piece and the zip ties. So gonna feed it through. And I'm assuming you guys know how to do a zip tie. You just push the piece and pull it through. I wished I did not lose the footage because I think it was really cool from nothing to something. And this is the way it is looking. And I want to line it up first before I pull it like all the way. That's why the other one is loose, because I want to make sure that it's properly lined up. And now I am going to also put one in the middle, but now that it lined up properly for me, now I could pull the zip ties, tighten the zip tie, and this is how it is looking. If I ever get tired of it, I could also cut down the fence that's in the middle and not have it that big, but for now I'm liking it. Later on, because I also like how the bottom look. So I'm tightening with my zip ties. And as you see, I'm pulling it to the side so it is out of the way. And now that is lined up, now I can go ahead and pull it all the way through. Now I'm going to do the middle. See, gonna do the middle. Make sure that anything doesn't fall down there, because the area that I'm putting it in is on the balcony, but it's facing the hallway. Not only that, I absolutely just love like wrought iron, like I told you. So I love the way how this piece look. I could have left it black, could have sprayed it another color, but I wanted to go through with the silver. So this is how it is looking. And feed it through and just pull your zip tie close. And guys, like I said, zip ties and the fencing come from the Dollar Tree. You could get any rolling cart that looked like a bar cart, and you could create the same look. So this is how it looks. I eventually want to put glass insert in there. I just have to cut them and put them. I have enough glass that I could cut a piece, but I am swamped with work at this house. So this is how everything is looking. I am going to take it outside and give it a little sprayed up again and cut the zip ties. But this is the way it's looking. I think she is cute. Tell me what you think, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, because I love crafting. I love looking at something that seems to be nothing and turn it into something fabulous. And as I'm showing you here, it'll be hard for something to fall over the side now. So guys, if you like what I do here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you will be one of the first to be notified. And this is the bar cart that I made. Dollar Tree DIY bar cart. So you could get any cart and zhuzh it up with that Dollar Tree fence. And this is how it's looking in the bottom.